Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! Let's fix your AirPods if they're not showing up on your Bluetooth. Now, if you have certain AirPods or AirPods Pro and you're trying to connect them through Bluetooth and they're not showing up, I'm gonna walk you through a few different steps to get that fixed. So, first, let's hop into our settings. Then, we'll tap on Bluetooth. Now, the first and the easiest thing is we'll just toggle Bluetooth off here, wait for a few seconds, and toggle back on. Now we're gonna open the case on our AirPods or AirPods Pro, and we'll wanna see if they're connecting through the Bluetooth. You can see mine automatically connected. AirPods here, I can hit that little I right there and it'll indicate that I'm connected now at the very bottom here. I could always hit forget this device and then just reconnect to them if I wanted to. If they're still not popping up even on this Bluetooth list, what you want to do is turn your AirPods into basically pairing mode so that what you're gonna do is at the very back there's a button, a white button while the case is still open. You're gonna tap and hold that button that will convert your AirPods into basically pairing mode, and it will basically give you a message that says, do you want to connect with new devices in your area? And try to reach out and connect through Bluetooth. So just tap and hold that. If it still doesn't work, just keep on holding it and eventually it will switch to an amber light, meaning it's basically being factory reset, and at that point you can always just tap it again with that case open and basically you'll be able to connect it to your phone again through Bluetooth. So if all of that doesn't work, then potentially there's an issue with either the Bluetooth on your phone or your AirPods, and you might need to take them into Apple to have them check it out for them to make sure that it's not a software or hardware issue on either of those two devices. That's it. That is how we fix AirPods not showing on Bluetooth.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.